Google Assistant is entering its final chapter on Android as Google prepares to replace it with Gemini, its more advanced generative AI assistant. Starting September 4, 2026, Google is scheduled to begin removing Google Assistant from Android phones and tablets, with the transition rolling out gradually. For users, the familiar "Hey Google" experience is not necessarily disappearing. The big change is that Gemini will increasingly become the intelligence behind it. This marks a major shift from a traditional voice command assistant toward an AI that can understand context, hold more natural conversations, and handle more complex requests. So, why is Google replacing Assistant with Gemini? The answer is simple. Google wants Android to become more than an operating system, it wants it to become an AI-powered intelligence platform. Gemini can go beyond basic commands such as setting alarms, checking the weather, or starting a timer. Google is expanding Gemini with capabilities designed to summarize information, assist with complex tasks, interact with connected apps and services, and eventually take actions on a user's behalf. Google's 2026 Android strategy explicitly focuses on moving from simple prompts toward more agentic experiences, where AI can understand an intention and help carry it out. The biggest question is whether Gemini can truly replace Google Assistant without frustrating longtime Android users. Gemini offers far more advanced AI capabilities, including multimodal conversations, research assistance, and deeper connections with Google's ecosystem, but some users have criticized it for being less reliable at certain simple assistant tasks. Google is nevertheless pushing forward, adding more connected services and making Gemini increasingly integrated into Android. The result could be one of the biggest changes to the Android experience in years. Google Assistant is saying goodbye, while Gemini becomes the AI at the center of your phone.